Hey everyone, and welcome. In the world of productivity, we're all looking for that one perfect tool, right? That holy grail that's going to organize all our work. But let's be honest, that search usually just leaves us with a messy collection of apps that don't even talk to each other, creating more headaches than they solve. Seriously, just take a second to think about it. How many tabs do you have open right now? How many different apps are you bouncing between just to figure out what's going on with a single project? If that number is, well, kind of high, trust me, you are not alone. It's just the reality for most of us these days. You know the drill. You've got your tasks living over in Jira or Linear, your docs are somewhere in Notion, and all your important conversations are buried deep inside Slack. Every single time you switch, you lose a little bit of focus, a little bit of momentum. It's like having to run to 3 different buildings just to have one meeting. It's exhausting. Okay, so let's get into the solution. What if there was a way to take all of that chaos and bring it into one, single, elegant hub? Well, this is where a really cool open source project called Huly comes into the picture. And this isn't just my phrasing. This comes straight from their official GitHub page. They call Huly an all-in-one project management platform. Now, that is a very bold claim in a super crowded market, so let's see how they actually back it up. So what do they even mean by all-in-one? Because it's not about just shoving a bunch of features into one app. No, it's about building a single, powerful framework where all your most important tools don't just sit next to each other. They actually work together, seamlessly, in one place. And the scope here is, honestly, it's massive. We're talking built-in chat so you can ditch Slack, project management to replace Jira, but then it goes so much further. It's got modules for CRM, human resources, and even an applicant tracking system. This isn't just another task manager. It's designed to be a complete operating system for your entire business. Now, with a project this ambitious, you're probably wondering, is this for real? Does it have any credibility? Well, Huly didn't earn its reputation with a big marketing budget. It earned it through the sheer power of its open source community. And the proof, as they say, is in the numbers. Get this, over 25,000 stars on GitHub. Now, if you're not a developer, a star on GitHub is basically the ultimate sign of respect from the community. It's a huge thumbs up from people who really know their stuff, and it signals that this project is absolutely the real deal. And then you've got over 1,800 forks. So it's a fork. It's basically when another developer makes their own copy of the code to play with, to build on top of, or to contribute back to the project. This number tells you there's a whole vibrant ecosystem of innovation happening all around Huly's core code. And all of this is powered by more than 116 active contributors. That means this isn't some dusty product you just buy off a shelf. It's a living, breathing project that's constantly being improved and polished by a worldwide community of experts. And for all you tech-curious folks out there, you'll be happy to know it's built on a super modern foundation. With TypeScript and Svelte making up almost the entire code base, you know this platform is built for speed, for reliability, and for the future. But all those amazing numbers and that slick tech stack, they all point to something even bigger. And this, my friends, is the real game changer: the open source advantage. This is what truly sets Huly apart from everyone else. The absolute superpower here is self-hosting. This means you can run the entire Huly platform on your own servers. Why does that matter? It means you have complete total control over your data, your security, and your performance. No more worrying about some third party's privacy policy. And this really shows you the difference. With your typical cloud software, your data is on their servers, you can only customize what they let you, and you're paying that subscription fee forever. With the self-hosted Huly, you own your data. The whole platform can be extended and customized, and your main cost is just your own server infrastructure. It's a fundamental shift from renting your tools to actually owning them. And this is probably the most important thing to understand. Huly isn't just a finished product. It's better to think of it as a set of powerful building blocks, a framework. Those CRM and HRM modules, they're not just features. They're examples of what you can build. You can extend it, customize it, and create your own bespoke tools that are perfectly designed for how your business actually works. And believe it or not, getting started is super straightforward. If you're a user who just wants to run it, there's a dedicated self-host repository with a simple Docker setup that'll get you up and running in no time. And if you're a developer who wants to tinker, contribute, or build something new, you can just dive right into the main repository and its powerful architecture. So you see, Huly is so much more than just a tool. It's really a statement. It's part of this powerful movement towards having more control, more ownership, and more freedom in how we work. And it leaves us with a really big question to think about. Is the future of work not just integrated, but is it fundamentally open?